Brigadier General Felix Kulaije omugambirizi w'amahanga kugamba ebi biwabira kuyira omukolo gw'okusibura abeegi ba St Charles Rwanga Kitabi omu Bushenyi abaire bari kuheza omushomo gwa patriotism.
You have been empowered to love your country. Therefore, live purposefully.
And I am happy that what they have been able to share, all what they have learned, they have started experiencing.
To most heartily thank His Excellency the President for being the champion of the message of patriotism in Uganda and actually for Pan-Africanism for the entire continent.
MP omukyala wa Bushenyi hasimira omukulu w'ihanga abakweta programu egi omu biro busayiryo n'enagemyeto muro kandi abashabirwa okumanya ahi bakutora behare ebitokoza bwongo n'obushamba n'obwimukire busi.
The devil is attacking our youth. They are involved in drugs. Some youth are taking alcohol. Some are indisciplined. But for you to bring this program here that has really changed our young generation is really, really wonderful.
Young people, most of the time when the beans take long to get ready, young ones get a stone and throw at the head teacher's office. This does not make the beans ready, my young people. So avoid the strikes and let's be humble.
If you want to go near, determine the transport you want to use here. Are you going to walk? But if you decide to go far, then the means of transport must be different.
Abeegi bitaniishatu n'obahiriza omushomo gwa patriotism ogumazire sandemu.
Thank you very much.
Omugandi abantu abarikwenugiza obwinazi hamwe n'okubonaabonesa abandi omu maka baraburwa. Ebi n'ebikukiraho otabishanga omu kukingaho oruteerane rw'abakazi n'abaishiki. Bitunga hariho n'obunkenke oburikushenya amaka eky'abakazi abarikurera engaro nabo baraburwa.
Ekyokureebera omukazi ali murofu omushisha akazaahera mukamasimu akashanga amaresi batakagowa nagaruka iwe kumunotisekale mukamasimu mbere tuye kuba abayonjo mukamasimu
baba barikusiiba n'okurara omu maramizo batarikwenda kukora ngu nibehuriza busha. Gashoka Ben Muhozi na Sandeke William.